So here's an example that is very widely used. I bet you that a lot of people in building D at Concordia do this linear algebra all the time. And it is called data fitting. Scientists do this and statisticians do this, and you've probably done it yourself in all sorts of other classes, in math and outside of math. And that is, there are 4 data points given in the problem, and we want to find the line that goes through them, the line of best fit. And so here's how we represent that as a linear algebra thing. Y equals mx plus b. Each one of those data points is a row of this equation. But see how if we take all the data points and represent them as a column, this is one vector equation. So to find the line that goes through all those points is to solve this one vector equation. And so now we know that if there are more than 2 points, this is not going to have a solution. There is no line that's going to go through more than 2 points, unless those 2 points happen to be collinear, which these 4 are not. And most data does not happen to naturally lie exactly on the right line. But we want to find the line that's closest, and so we're not going to find an M and a B. The M and the B are the unknowns in this problem. We're not going to find an M and a B that's going to make this work. We're instead going to solve the least squares problem. So we're going to find the solution that is the projection of here onto the space of lines. So now read through this problem and see how the x and the 1s are the basis vectors, and we're finding the m and the b describe we're finding the linear combination of these 2 basis vectors to get closest to the y's. So these 2 being our basis vectors make up our matrix A, and then this y is our b, the b side of the equation, ax equals b. And then, the unknowns are then the x star that we're going to find. So we're not going to solve ax equals b, we're going to solve the least squares problem, which is A transpose A x equals A transpose b. See if you can find or follow the steps to find where did we get 14, 6, 6, 4, and where did we get 15, 7.7. That's the test to see if we're really understanding all of the previous parts of this handout so that you know how to then do the homework.